How to become an affiliate with our brand. One search AABoutique.com. 2. Tap the 3-line menu and you'll see it in the top left. 3. At the bottom you'll see Become an Affiliate. Click it. 4. Enter your first and last name, email, and password. 5. Agree to the terms and conditions and submit. Once approved, you'll get your unique affiliate link, share it, and earn commissions on every sale. If your customer makes a purchase, we handle everything from shipping to customer service. Join now and start earning. Your success begins here.